dear students. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, right? I'm here with the story of chapter 9. The name of the story is A Day at the Swamp. This story is all about dinosaurs. Long years ago, millions years ago, that dinosaurs were there on the earth. Now they are not there, totally disappeared, and now today we'll come to know through this story A Day at the Swamp. Now what is that swamp? That mud, watery place, marshy place, okay, where that dinosaur lives. Okay, dinosaur lives and dinosaurs live, right? So we'll come to know different kind of that dinosaurs were there. Now we'll come to know in this story Belinda, the uh, Brontosaurus, the Brontosaurus lived by a swamp, and see 150,000 years ago. Can you imagine? My God, long years ago, right? Day and night she swam through the swamp, swaying her long neck from side. Okay, swaying that Belinda, she loves to be in that swamp, and always she used to move its long neck. Okay, this way she liked to enjoy. Okay, now on special occasions such as her birthday, she stepped onto land and stretched out her strong neck. It towered above the palm trees and pines. As very special days they like to celebrate. Sometimes they play, sometimes they like to peep through that trees, tall trees, and this way they like to enjoy it. But other than, they are always in that swamp. But Belinda wasn't as tall as her cousins Danny, the Diplodocus. So all they are having their own name. So Danny, what is its full name? Its full name is Diplodocus, who stood almost 90 feet high or bent. Right? The Brachiosaurus. All they are having different name. So all they were having different names, and they were having different way to live, they were having different way to live their life. Okay, some of them they like to play, some of them they like to be in that swamp. So this way they were there, they were living together, right? One day when they were bored with gliding in the water, so always they used to glide in the water only, that swamp only. And when they one day they got bored with that, every day they are swimming, gliding, so they needed something different activity, something different to do in their life. Okay, so the three cousins lifted her huge bodies out of the swamp and planted their massive legs on the land. So these three, what did they do? Coming out of that swamp and kept their legs on the land, and after that they shook their body to clean their body. They were wetty, because they were living in that water. So after that they shook their body to clean water, to let them dry. Okay, now they shook the water from their backs, and each sprayed out around them like a summer shower. Because big animals are there, they are all long, no, all they are long, and with big bodies and all long necks. So water also, they were carrying water also now with this big body. So when they came on the land, after that they shook their body, and this much water, they shook their body and showed like that a summer shower, just like a summer shower, because so much water they were having on their body. Okay, now Danny wanted to play hide and seek. Right? They were so much larger than any of the trees that it was possible for them to hide. So they were tall, no? So it is not possible to hide themselves. It's very difficult to hide themselves because they are taller than that trees. So how they will hide themselves? So this is not possible. इज इट पॉसिबल? इतने लंबे लंबे पेड़ है, इतने लंबे लंबे बॉडी है, और पेड़ के ऊपर से उसका फेस दिख रहा है, बॉडी दिख रहा है, तो कहाँ वो छुपेंगे? कहाँ छुपने का जगह ही नहीं है, ट्रीज से भी लंबे हैं ये लोग, तो छुपने का जगह ही नहीं है. देन दे थॉट व्हाट टू डू. लेटेस्ट देन so Ben suggested, so Ben, Danny, they were there, and Ben suggested, now Ben suggested, so Danny suggested we will play hide and seek, remember that, okay? And Ben suggested let us play chess. Ben suggested चलो हम चेस खेलते हैं, पकड़म पकड़ाई खेलते हैं, ठीक है? देन व्हाट हैपेंड? सो बेन सजेस्टेड लेट अस प्ले चेस, बट वी मस्ट गो फार फ्रॉम द स्वैम्प. हम यहाँ से दूर नहीं जा सकते, बिकॉज हम दूर जाएंगे तो हम रास्ता भूल जाएंगे, और हम रास्ता भूल गए तो हम लौट के भी नहीं आ पाएंगे. इवन वी डोंट नो what type of animals are in the jungle, and if they are very ferocious, if they are very dangerous, then they will attack us, okay? So because of that they were planning we will not go far away. Belinda he warned he will not go far away. They knew it could be dangerous to go too far from the home. They lived immersed in water also. They were too heavy to run, so they all were living in water only, and it's very difficult to run in the on the land, because when they are in water now they become very light weighted, but when they are on the land they feel that they are very heavy animals, okay? बहुत वजन वाला एनिमल्स लगते हैं, और जो अगर पानी में होते हैं तो वो क्या होते हैं, बहुत हल्के महसूस करते हैं. तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट व्हेन दे आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वाटर एंड दे स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग ऑन द लैंड, सो दे फेल्ट कि नो वी आर वेरी हैवी एनिमल्स, ओके? बहुत वेट है. So this way they were going, and then further into the forest. अंदर जंगल के अंदर जाते गए, they went into the forest. Then they heard a terrible noise. उनको एक terrible आवाज़ सुनाई दिया, and they thought, my God, don't know what is there and who is coming in front of us. So at the last moments of daylight they saw the enormous head of Terry. It was going to be dark, end of the day. So they were thinking, oh my God, who may be there? And Terry the Tyrannosaurus, सबके एक एक नाम है, मैंने बताया. So Terry the Tyrannosaurus, you have to read like this, Tyrannosaurus. So racing towards them, they saw, oh my God, a Terry, बहुत dangerous looking वाला एक जो animal है, with big long teeth, and all teeth were 9 inches long. So they got afraid seeing that dangerous animal coming towards them. So what to do? The cousins were in danger. They turned around and pounded back. वो सब डर के they got afraid. They were afraid seeing that animal with this much long teeth, and it's a totally fat animal. It's looking very dangerous. 2 small legs are there and 2 long legs are there, and just looking like a kangaroo and running faster, they are not able to run as faster at that Terry, so they moved back. Although they were twice as large and Terry, they moved like elephants. Terry was moving like elephant, but he was running only, and they are not able to run. They were walking only because they felt very heavy, because now they are out of water. Okay, पानी के बाहर है तो बहुत heavy महसूस कर रहे हैं. They were not able to run, and then one after one they started shouting, "Oh my God, what will happen? As you also do know?" So Danny yelled, so do I moan, Ben? My legs are hurting and I'm hungry. I frightened Danny. He's saying, oh my God, I'm very hungry. How to walk, how to go faster, how to reach there at our swamp. Okay, so all they were afraid of that, seeing that Terry. Okay, and all they are saying to each other, don't give up, just move faster, just move faster, faster. We have to reach at the swamp. Till we reach the swamp, we have to carry on, we have to run, we have to be running first, because that behind that Terry is there, so he will catch us. So better we'll run first without thinking anything. Okay, first Denny, then Ben, and Belinda plunged into the marshy water. So finally they reached there, and one after one they got into the they got down into the, or you can say they jumped, they plunged into the water one after one. First Denny, then Ben, and then Belinda. Three cousins were there, and then immediately their body felt very light weighted, because when they are in the water they felt very light weighted, and they started gliding away from the shore, because that Terry reached there near the swamp, at the edge of the swamp. So they all are afraid, and they started gliding away, so that Terry couldn't touch them, couldn't catch them, and because of that they were moving away, and the Terry, he got angry, because now he is not able to catch them. It's not possible to catch them, because he is having two small legs and two long legs, and this way it's very difficult to swim. So Terry couldn't swim, and now they are also in the water. They glided away, and it's very difficult to catch. They are beyond catch. So what happened? So Terry, what to do? They had to that Terry had to be there only at the shore only, and they are saved. They are saved now. They felt very happy कि चलो somehow we managed ourselves at the time they were in danger, and now they are free of the danger. So they were very happy, and as the cousins heard him hop unhappily away, so वो सबको सुनाई दिया कि वो अभी unhappily भाग रहा है. Then Ben and then Melinda began to laugh. One after one they started laughing. Oh my God, we are safe now. And that Terry, he had to move back. Okay, so and then they decided, we will not go far away to play. We are very happy here because we are for this place only. So what is the message here? We should follow, we should listen to our elders, because you are small kids, we do not know how to save yourself. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care.